so I'm getting ready to start the Pazole. I'm fixing to put I've actually got my pork one in my Instant Pot. I'm fixing to cook it, and then I'm going to shred it, and I'll add my seasonings to it. Okay, so we're kicking off the Pazole now. I've got some pork loin and some yellow onions sauteing here and a little bit of liquid. Okay, I roasted up about 7 tomatillos in a 400-degree oven for about 12 minutes. So I'm fixing to throw them in the blender along with some other ingredients. Okay, so we've added 2 cups of water, some chicken bouillon, and I'm going to come back and I'm going to add those blended up tomatillos. Put some, some minced garlic, some cumin, the juice of a lime, some cilantro. I'm going to add that all in here. A can of chopped green chilies. So I'm going to give this a stir, and we will be back. Okay, so here's the finished product. It turned out to be a really good recipe. Next time, I think I'm going to try some beef in it. I added some chips and cheddar cheese to mine. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you next time.